Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get another USD account here in Africa. I've already done a first video on how to get one using the Cheaper Cash platform. Now for the Cheaper Cash platform, as a Ghanaian user I was unable to get my USD account. So if you're a Ghanaian user and you watch that video, I know you're also unable to get your USD account. However, on this new platform that I'm going to introduce to you guys, you are going to get your USD account because I got mine. So I'm making this video to show you guys how you can also get yours. Now this platform not only gives us access to a USD account, but also gives us access to other accounts as well as dollar cards and gift cards. So if this is the type of content you are interested in, please consider subscribing to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss updates like this. Now the only problem I have with this platform is that when I was doing my KYC, identity verification and my selfie verification, I got rejected 3 times. Yeah, as you can see on your screen, I got rejected 3 times. Now, I think the issue was when I was doing the selfie verification, the camera was not stable. I don't know what kind of software that they allow in the app to help you do the selfie verification, but it made my camera wobbly and it was not stable. So that's what the issue was. I had to do it 3 times. No, I had to do it 4 times, and on the 4th time I got approved. So if you also face the same issue, don't worry, just take your time and do it and you finally get approved. But if you got it on the first try, please let me know in the comment section. Alright, so without wasting much time, let me show you guys this new platform that you can use to get your USD account here in Africa. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open your App Store or Play Store and download the Grey app. I'll leave a referral link in the description so you can download it easily. After downloading it, let's open it and sign up for a free account. Allow notifications if you want to receive them from the app. Next, you select your preferred language. Now select the country in which you live. Now the moment you select your country in which you live, you have to provide valid documents from that country for verification purposes. So if you have those documents from that country, you can go ahead and proceed. Over here on this page, you now have to provide all your basic information: your first name, middle name, surname, your gender, your email address, and your phone number. So go ahead and fill out all those information. And also I have a referral link, so your referral code will be automatically filled if you use my link in the description, but you can skip it if you want. After filling out all that information, tap on continue. Now create a solid password for your account and check all the 2 boxes if you want to receive emails from them periodically and if you agree to their terms of service. After doing that, tap on continue. After providing all that information, now you need to verify your email account. So go ahead and check your email account. You'll be sent an OTP code. Copy that OTP code and come and paste it in the space provided and verify your email account. After verifying your email, now it's time for you to select the purpose for creating an account with Grey. You've given us a bunch of use cases for us to select from, so go ahead and select all the use cases that apply to your situation, and after doing that, tap on the submit button. Now create a PIN for your account. Make sure it's a memorable one because you're going to need your PIN every time you log into your account. It's also going to act as an extra layer of security. Okay, so now that we have been able to create our account on the Grey app, we verified our email. We need to take it a step further and verify our ID so we can get access to our US bank account. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, I did the identity verification 3 times and I got rejected 3 times, but on the 4th time I was successful. So if you are doing identity verification and you get rejected a couple of times, don't worry, just take your time and do it again and you will eventually get accepted. So let me show you guys how I did identity verification. You can tap on the begin button on the home page of the app to begin the process, or locate the menu at the bottom and on the far right tap on more. Over here on this page, tap on account verification, and now we can begin the verification process, which is called the KYC verification. Now if we do not complete this process, we are not going to get access to our US bank account. So let's go ahead and begin the process. Tap on the begin KYC verification button. Your country will already be selected at the top. Enter your home address, your state, your city, your zip code, upload a proof of address, and your date of birth. Now for the proof of address, I decided to go with a utility bill. So if you are here in Ghana, you can use your utility bill to do that. I use my utility bill, which is the prepaid. Yes, so when you buy prepaid using the Power app, it will generate a receipt for you. So that receipt is what I uploaded as proof of address. So you can go ahead and use that if you live in Ghana, and it will work for you. Another option you can also use is your bank statement. So if you have access to your bank statement, you can use that as proof of address. I don't know much about the third option, which is the state or local government based document. I don't know much about that, so I just stayed away from that. But your utility bill, which I use in this video, I got from the Power app. The receipt, I used that, it worked. But if you have access to your bank statement, you can also use that and it will work. So after filling out all the information, I tap on the continue button, but I got this error at the top that says state does not exist in the country, which I found strange because the state over there is Greater Accra region. In Greater Accra region, last I checked, is in Ghana. So I just tapped on the state and I reselected Greater Accra region, and I tapped on continue and it worked. So if you face the same issue, just do what I did and everything will be fine. Over here on this page, they're asking if we identify as a politically exposed person or we are a family member or closely associated to any politically exposed individuals. So answer those two questions honestly and tap on the continue button. Alright, now it's time for us to do ID verification. Now tap on the get started button. If you are ready for the ID verification and the selfie check, let's proceed. Okay, so as a Ghanaian doing my KYC, I was given these 6 options: a SNET card, driver license, Ghana card, residence card, voter ID, and a passport. So whichever you have available, go ahead and select the option and go ahead and proceed with the ID verification. I decided to go with the Ghana card, so I was required to take a clear picture of my Ghana card, both front and back. After submitting clear photos of the front and back of my Ghana card, next was the selfie verification. Now this is where I had issues when I was doing it, like I told you guys in the earlier part of the video, but eventually I was able to get it done. So make sure you follow the instructions on your screen when you are doing the selfie verification and you'll be able to get yours done. Now that we are done with both the ID verification and the selfie verification, now we have to wait for our KYC and our verification to be approved by Gray. So this will take some time, so why don't you just relax, wait for it, and come back and check.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so after waiting for a while, I finally received this notification that says my KYC has been approved and I have been verified by Gray. So on the home page of the app, if you have been verified, you should see this pop up over here. And now we can claim our US bank account. So go ahead and tap on the button over there. Now over here on this page, they are giving us 3 currencies to select from. Now each currency represents the type of bank account that you will get access to. So if you want a US bank account, you go ahead and select the United States dollar. If you want a UK account, you go ahead and select the British pound. If you want a Euro account, you select the Euro. So depending on which one you want, go ahead and make the right choice. Now I want a US bank account, so I'll go ahead and select the United States dollar. After making your selection, tap on continue. Now you need to confirm some details below. Make sure that all the details over there are correct and confirm them. Now select the reason why you need a US account. I'm a freelancer, so I'm going to choose the first option. Now depending on the option you choose, you'll be required to fill out some other information. So since I chose the freelancer option, now they're asking me my occupation, which freelance platform I use, and they're asking a link to my freelance profile and as well as my monthly income band. So fill out those information. After you are done, check the box over there and tap on submit. Okay, so now that we are done submitting all the right information, now our request is under review and we need to wait for approval. So unlike the KYC where I received a notification that my KYC has been approved, when I was approved for my bank account, I did not receive any notification. So I had to check the app manually. And when I opened the app, I saw that my US bank account number has been displayed over there. So that's how I knew I got my account. So in order to view the full details of my US bank account, I tapped on it. And over here on this page, this is the full details of my US bank account. So now that you have access to your US bank account and your US bank account details, as a freelancer, you can go ahead and receive payments from your clients overseas. And if you're a business owner too, you can use this account to transact business smoothly. Alright guys, so if you watch the tutorial from the beginning to the end, you'll be able to get your USD account. So why don't you give me a like on the video if you got one, and also share this video with someone else who is also in desperate need of a USD account here in Africa. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.